Good day all, South African Prep here. So I'm going to play you a video that's extremely heartwarming. Now, for 400 years, the Boer people or the Boer nation has always had one goal in mind, and it's always been to be free, to be a nation that can look after themselves, that is not being governed by other nations. In one of my previous videos, restitution and white supremacy, you can go have a look at that video. I basically spoke about the fact that the Boer people were the pioneers of Southern Africa, and that's one badge that not even the ANC nor the EFF nor anybody can take away from us. Yes, a lot of our people are scared, and a lot of our people are desperately wanting to go to America, and I do understand that. But I'm going to play this video, and quite frankly, I don't care if YouTube takes this off, but if they do take it off and they do cancel the channel, please go to Rumble under African Prepper. You'll find us there as well. I don't think they'll take it off because there's no reason to that. There's no violence in this, but it's extremely heartwarming. I am not sure who these people are. I'm not sure why they've done this the way that they did this, but it reminds me of why we as Boer Nation are the Boer Nation. And I almost want to say that it almost brings tears to my eyes if I think that we might not even achieve this in our lifetime, but we're going to fight for it. I promise you that. Enjoy the video. God bless.
Greetings from the center of Moscow, the heart of Russia. Today is a very special day for our brothers in South Africa. The 31st of May is the day the bloody Anglo-Boer War came to a conclusion. A war in which a nation of farmers fought to defend their sovereignty against the might of the cursed British Empire. This is the day that in 1928 this flag was first hoisted on the soils of South Africa. And on this day, in 1961, South Africa broke free from the Anglo rule and became a republic. Just like the history of the Russian people, the history of the Boer tells us of perseverance, unity, faith, and constant struggle against oppression. And we want to use this special day to spread the message. Rise, free nations of the world. Rise to fight for your families, fight for your faith, fight for your countries, fight the enemy.
Lê ons in donker en wag. In die modder en bloed lê ek koud. Streepsak en reën kleef teen my. En my huis en my plaas kolle verbrand sodat
Freedom to the Boer! 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 Get back to your island! 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 Get back to your island!
Generaal, generaal, soos een man sal ons om jou val, generaal de la Rein. Oor die kakies wat lag, 'n handjie van ons teen 'n hele groot mag. En die kranse lê hier teen ons rug, hulle dink dis verby. Maar die hart van 'n boer lê dieper en wyer, hulle gaan dit nog sien. Op 'n ver kom my hart.